Imagine this. You're savoring your favorite meal, and unbeknownst to you, your little one is getting a taste too. Sounds intriguing? Well, if so, stick around because at 21 weeks pregnant, your baby's development is reaching some truly fascinating milestones that directly connect with your daily experiences. Welcome to week 21 of your pregnancy journey. Can you believe you're over halfway there? Let's dive into the incredible developments happening this week and uncover some surprises that might just change the way you think about your pregnancy. First up, your baby is now about the size of a large banana, measuring about 10.5 inches from head to heel and weighing about 12.7 ounces. But here's the kicker, literally. Those gentle flutters you've been feeling, well, they're becoming more pronounced as your baby's coordination improves. Now, here's something truly mind-blowing. Your baby's taste buds are fully developed by this week. But did you know that the flavors of the foods that you eat actually permeate your amniotic fluid? That means that when you enjoy a variety of foods, your baby is also exposed to those flavors too. In fact, studies suggest that this early exposure can actually influence your baby's taste preferences even after birth. So, indulging in a diverse diet now might actually make your little one more open to different foods later on. So, that's something to think about. All right, now let's talk about you. As your belly grows, you might notice that your center of gravity is shifting a bit, which can sometimes lead to a bit of unsteadiness. It's absolutely essential to wear supportive footwear and to take it slow to prevent any slips or falls. So here's the pro tip. Engaging in gentle exercises like prenatal stretches can actually enhance your balance, and it also helps to keep you feeling grounded. Plus, it's a great way to connect to your changing body. So definitely put it on your homework list for this week to get in some prenatal stretches. Now, on to a topic that often raises questions, which is Braxton Hicks contractions. These are your body's way of practicing labor, often as irregular, painless tightenings of the uterus. That's how we describe it. Think of them as your body's rehearsal for the big day. Unlike true labor contractions, Braxton Hicks are infrequent, and usually they subside with movement or hydration. However, if you notice them becoming more regular or painful, it's absolutely crucial to reach out to your healthcare provider. Okay, so let's pivot to nutrition. Nutrition needs to remain key at this stage, right? You're likely familiar with the importance of folic acid and iron, but let's shine a light on choline. This nutrient is vital for your baby's brain development, and it can be found in foods like eggs, lean meats, and dairy products, as well as spinach. So with that, let me offer this pro tip for you. I want you to consider blending a smoothie, right? Add some spinach to get that choline we just talked about, as well as adding in a handful of walnuts to get the benefits of omega-3s. This is an absolute delicious way to nourish both you and your baby. You're welcome. All right, so as your body changes, comfort becomes key. So investing in a good maternity support belt can definitely help to alleviate some of that back discomfort by distributing your belly's weight more evenly. Simply wrap it around your lower back and under your belly for added support during daily activities, especially if you find yourself on your feet a lot or on the go a lot. Now, pregnancy is not just a physical journey, but an emotional one too. So I want you to take a few minutes each day to just be mindful of your body and all of the things that you're doing right now to grow this baby and for your own personal growth. who you are becoming as a new mommy. I want you to take a few minutes to be mindful, to do some deep breathing. This will help you to reduce stress and enhance that connection with your baby, which doesn't just start after the baby is born. It actually begins to start now. So keep that in mind. Now, I thought this would be fun as your pro tip for this section for us to kind of try it together. How about you close your eyes? Okay, are they closed? Now, I want you to take a deep breath in through your nose, hold it for a moment, and exhale slowly through your mouth. Repeat this a few times, allowing any tension to just simply melt away. And just doing this once or twice a day will really help you to tap into your inner strength, right? This simple breathing exercise will dramatically help to reduce your stress. Trust me, and again, you're welcome. Okay, now let's look ahead. It's a great time to start thinking about your birth plan and discussing it with your healthcare provider. Now is the time. Understand your options and preferences, and understand that these things can empower you as you approach your delivery. Now, your pro tip is simply to consider Bump to Bundle Blueprint, which is a step-by-step guide to help you prepare for your birth so that you can be confident and empowered as you prepare for your big day. Every pregnancy is different, but there's one string that kind of threads all of the different mommies that I've helped to give birth together, right? And that thread is simply this. As a matter of fact, I want you to repeat after me. I love my sweet baby, and I'm doing an amazing job. I believe that about you, but more importantly, I want you to believe that about you. All right, if you found this video to be helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It helps other new moms to find this very video. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe for next week's video, week 22. Can you believe it? We are chugging along and you don't want to miss it. So be sure to be subscribed. Until next time, take care and cherish each moment of this beautiful pregnancy journey. I'll see you in the next video. Happy birthday, Mama.